Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second edition of Bharat PSU Manthan, presented by Mini Orange. So, ladies and gentlemen, this podcast is where ideas meet innovation as we dive into conversations with experts who are transforming India's PSU ecosystem. And with this, I would like to welcome Mr. Avinash Arora,
Thank you.
CAIO from Orbit India AI. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Megha. Thank you for this.
So, sir, let's start the conversations now.
Yes.
So, my first question for you is, how is AI transforming decision making across PSUs and public sector?
Great. See, AI is getting adopted now, not only in PSUs, but complete, I would say, government, semi-government, state government sectors, and the public listed companies, be it into manufacturing, NBFC, banking, everywhere. So if we talk about this, AI is definitely being explored by most of these organizations, adopting to their own competitive advantage. So one very important part which I think the organizations have started learning about it, where is the value creation the AI can do. But before that, it is very important for these organizations which they are now understanding that how data quality and a data lake is getting to be important for applying AI. So you need to identify some machine models where it will bring the outcome basis and how agile these outcome can be there. They need to have a relevant infrastructure for AI.
Wow, that's something really amazing that you pointed out there. So, moving on to the next question. So, we want to know more about Orbit India AI. So, what is Orbit India's role in AI right now, and how it is helping public sector and PSU in adopting AI?
Okay. So we started AI practice some 7 years ago. Being a system integrator organization in the country for the last 32 years, we are a platinum partner to HPE as well as a 5-star partner for NVIDIA, which is very, very essential to start an AI journey in any organization. So if you have a vision, so vision tells you where AI can bring a value. And then you build up a strategy how this value can be translated, right? And then must have an infrastructure scale behind that to scale that value derivative. Orbit plays that role. Orbit plays that role in consulting, identifying and helping organization to identify the use cases and how that, what is the quality of data they are maintaining, help them to build data lake and data federation so that it brings a meaningful insight for them, and then how to scale is an infrastructure. So Orbit is playing a role in actually helping public enterprises because each public enterprises is a different domain altogether. Like a power PSU will have a different need altogether. Like a railways, they will have a different need altogether. So we are actually identifying their niche areas they operate in it, identify where they lack in decision making, identify the data points which will be more contributing towards their business processes. So that role we play.
Wow, that's a really great initiative that Orbit is playing in the field of AI. So, sir, moving on to the next question. So, what do you think about Bharat PSU Manthan that we are here at this esteemed
Great.
event? And what do you think? What are the key takeaways that we all can gain out of this summit?
See, this summit is going to give, to my understanding, that each one will have a takeaway how to really build and adopt AI in their organization. Everyone has their own challenges. This probably deliberations out of this Manthan, the key takeaway is that it will remove the myth of AI adoption. Everybody is rushing towards AI, but without understanding that, okay, somebody is buying GPUs, somebody is buying infra, somebody is buying things, without understanding what a value proposition for them it would be. So probably the takeaway would be more deep dive into, apart from infrastructure, the importance of data, the importance of network for AI, and what is their manage network through AI. So it's a very, very complex thing. Network for AI and AI for network. And then the speed of deployment. Apart from that, I think the takeaway is going to be key, that people will understand the data sovereignty part of it, how important data is for their own organizations, and put the security guardrails so that it is being consumed within the organization for creating a value. Apart from that, I think one of the key takeaways would be there that AI is something which is proliferating very fast. So one, the governance model and security model is one key area where it will probably save organizations to secure their data in a better way and augment to build up more and more machine learning models. So that's a takeaway I expect in this Manthan one should have.
Well, your perspective really actually broadened our minds. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
Thank you,
Ladies
Megha.
and
It's a
gentlemen,
pleasure.
That
Thank
is
you.
a leader who is shaping the future of AI for PSUs. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir,
you.
for joining us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Megha. Thank you.